Buddhang saranang gacchami.
Almost been a month since the Russian-Ukraine conflict, which took thousands of innocent lives and left many others homeless and in hunger. Countries fight to win power at the cost of human lives, whose only purpose has always and only been to live in peace. It indeed is a great matter of concern for every human race in the world when a war as such is being called in any part, near or far. Lately, hatred and anger is being manifested in different forms of wars and conflict across the world, which is not just unfortunate, but a great failure to humanity. With a heavy heart, yet full of hope, a journey with a purpose, Venerable Bhikkhu Sangha Sena has always been working tirelessly for world peace and religious harmony. Sharing love and compassion has always remained his prime aim. An unforgettable episode of rising hatred between nations took place in the year 2020-2021 at the India-China border. Venerable Bhikkhu Sangha Sena worked day and night from sending appeals to the world leaders and peace-loving people, and also isolating himself up in the mountains, meditating and praying for peace, hoping for the situation to settle, to sort out the differences through dialogue, peaceful discussion, and to avoid war. Journey with a noble purpose, Bhikkhu Sangha Sena and his team embarked on a very timely week-long pilgrimage to Changthang region to help people with relief material and the much-needed psychological counseling, emotional and moral support amidst the horrifying situation of fear, tension, worry and anxiety caused due to the conflict at the borders. This time again, ever since the war between Russia and Ukraine started, he has been working, again sending appeals to the world leaders to come together and stop the war. Venerable Bhikkhu Sangha Sena, along with his students, again from the top of the Himalaya, the world's highest motorable road, Khardungla, is praying and sending a strong message to the great leaders of the world to stand up in unity, raise their voice and do everything possible to stop the war.
My dear friends, my dear peace-loving people, my dear peace promoters, peace workers, and all the citizens of the globe, we are once again here on the top of the mountains in the high Himalaya, on the highest motorable road, to once again offer our sincere prayer for the peace in Ukraine. It is very, very disheartening, very sad, very unfortunate that now nearly 1 month since this Ukraine-Russian world started, and our leaders of the world and as well as all the people of the world have unfortunately failed to stop this inhuman world, and it is very sad and very unfortunate, very regrettable. It is unbelievable that our world leaders have not been able to stop this world. Instead of putting off the fire, instead of stopping the war, you are supplying the weapons of destruction, weapons of war to continue the world. What is this? What kind of human beings we are? What kind of human hearts we have? What kind of civilization we are? Request to pray, to appeal to all the world leaders and all peace-loving people. Please stand up. Please stop this world. This world was started by us human beings. It can be stopped by us. And if we really want the leaders of the world, the President of America, the President of Russia, the leaders of the European countries, if they want, they can stop this war in just 1 hour time. We are sticking to our own egos. We are not coming to the negotiating table. We need to come to the negotiating table. We must sit and hear to each other. All are human beings. Please stand up. Don't sit on a sofa and watch in the TV how the bombs are thrown, how the bomb is blast, how the people are killed, the mother, children, and soldiers, creating orphans, creating jobless. Sincerely appeal to the people. We once again offer our prayer that the world war should stop immediately. May peace will prevail, may good understanding will prevail, may harmony prevail. Let us all live in peace and harmony. Let us help each other, let us serve each other. This is our sincere and prayer. Please stand up and do something. Thank you.
From the top of the holy mountains in the Himalayas, we honestly offer our sincerest prayer for the restoration of peace in Ukraine. We also honestly send appeals to our world leader to please do something to end this inhuman war at the earliest. May all beings be happy and well. May peace return swiftly to Ukraine and to this whole world.
का ये है कहना, किसी को दुख ना देना, सबसे बड़ा धर्म है किसी को दुख ना देना, सबसे बड़ा धर्म है किसी को दुख ना देना। अहिंसा परम धर्म, अहिंसा परम धर्म, बुद्ध का